MaterialForge PBR Studio is a high-end, Nova AI-assisted physically based rendering PBR studio for 3D artists, shader designers, and game developers. Built on Three.js with full tone mapping and dynamic lighting, it lets you preview and fine-tune materials in real time across multiple 3D primitives with parameters for metalness, roughness, emissive intensity, exposure, lighting, and environment. The editor includes Nova AI material generation from natural language prompts, color controls, preset palettes, mouse and touch controls for zoom, pan and rotate, FPS monitoring, material saving and export formats for production handoff. It is included in the Nova Ecosystem Starter Plan and opens directly inside Nova Ecosystem. What's included in the sale? Complete production source code, React 18 plus Vite plus TypeScript, Tailwind, shadcn/UI, full Supabase-backed data layer with schema, RLS policies and edge functions, domain name and all brand assets, logos, imagery, video, copy, automated SEO pipeline, sitemap.xml, feed.xml, catalog.json, llms.txt and IndexNow integration, multi-language interface, 11 languages, RTL support for Arabic, existing SEO surface, rankings, backlinks and indexed pages earned to date. On request, pre-configured Capacitor iOS/Android shell for store submission, a 30-day founder-led handover for infrastructure, deployment and roadmap questions, what ownership actually transfers. Every listing is a real, live product, not a template, not a boilerplate. Each one is already indexed on Google, wired to structured data and served from production infrastructure. On completion, the buyer receives full ownership of the digital asset, including the underlying intellectual property. A standard acquisition transfers the complete source code, the production database schema, the domain name, all brand and design assets, the SEO surface earned to date, rankings, backlinks, structured feeds, and the social handles where applicable. On request, larger acquisitions include supervised handover with the founding engineer. The marketplace lists 2 asset classes. Platforms are full standalone products with their own domain, brand, and use case. Apps are focused, self-contained web applications. Both classes are sold under the same binding terms. The catalog rotates. If you are looking for a specific vertical or capability that is not currently listed, contact the sales desk. Several assets are only released to the marketplace on request.